Hey guys, it's Rishi here, and I wanted to give you a very quick demo of the Fiverr Dominator software. Now, this software is literally created from the ground up to make your life easier in Fiverr. You can easily contact gig leaders, new users from Fiverr. You can contact and message the buyers. You can get them to buy your gig. You can even promote your website, your project within the attachments while sending messages. So this software has multiple features and functions. Now, as you know, the best part of Fiverr is that it has over 3 million users. And I will quickly show you that how you can tap into this huge market potential of Fiverr using this software. Now, the software basically has 3 tabs. It's login settings, which are also the global settings. Message the buyers tab, where we can contact the buyers of gigs, where we can message the buyers of the gigs directly. And finally, we have the tab gig leaders, where we can actually contact other people offering Fiverr. Now let us quickly look into each of the settings within the 3 tabs. The first tab is the login settings. This is where you will globally set all the settings for using the software. You can enter your username and password of Fiverr and save the account credentials so that you don't have to re-enter it again and again next time when you open the software. Once you have entered a username and password and click the login to Fiverr button, you will be automatically logged into the Fiverr marketplace. As you can see, I've already logged into the Fiverr marketplace. Now here you have 3 options. The first one is to upload an attachment while sending the messages. This is a great way to fool the Fiverr system, and you can send any file in the form of attachment. You can name the file something weird and Fiverr will not notice it. Remember that why this software is so cool is because you cannot spam buyers or users in Fiverr, and you will see pretty soon that how without breaking the rules of Fiverr marketplace, we will be able to successfully contact many users and gig leaders. Now you can also favorite gigs while contacting users. Now since this is a promotional software, it is good to favorite some gigs so people will think that you're actually serious about selling. You can also select the file to attach that you will be sending while contacting the buyers or the gig leaders using this option. Now the next tab is message the buyers. Now we want to contact some of the buyers who are already purchasers of a Fiverr gig. Now let me show you quickly, or let us quickly find a Fiverr gig. Let us say that we go to writing and translation and creative writing. Now we have chosen the following gig in creative writing. I will write you a perfect article for $5. Now let us take a look at the number of reviews that this person has got for this gig. As you can see, this person has over 953 reviews. So which means that we can contact all these buyers of this gig. Remember that with Fiverr, you cannot contact everyone, but you can contact everyone who has a gig. So all you have to do is copy and paste this URL here, and you have to spin your message while contacting all these users, all these customers who have bought this gig. And you can also specify how many users you would like to contact, like say 1 to 160, or how much ever number of users that you want to contact. And you also need to choose a random waiting time, like how many seconds to wait. It is very important to choose a number. Any number from 400 to 900 will suffice. Randomization and spinning your messages at the same time is the best way to promote yourself and your gig to other users. But the most important feature that we actually will be using most of the time is gig leaders. What is this gig leader feature? As you know, in Fiverr you can pretty much filter any information you want. Like you can go to any of these categories and start filtering by let us say that we choose the video and animation category. And you can pretty much start filtering through all these ways, like delivery time up to 24 hours. So it will show all the sellers who can deliver up to 24 hours. Or we can even choose the seller level. Let us say that we choose the new seller level. As you know, in Fiverr you can exchange gigs or reviews. Now the gig leaders tab is a great way by which you can contact all the new sellers who are just like you and are looking for either reviews or exchange Fiverr gigs. So once we have chosen the category here as new sellers, and you can also choose the language that you want, like seller language. So once you have chosen all your settings, all you have to do is copy your message here. For example, I already have my message I need to send, and as I told you that the message we need to spin the message, and then we have the option to choose how many gig leaders we want to contact and how much time we need to wait. Now you can pretty much choose how much ever number of people you want to contact. Let us say you want to contact 2000 people and you want to wait for over 3000 seconds, a random waiting time between 1 and 3000. And you can pretty much let the software run the whole day while it is doing its job, and towards the end of the day you can check how many of the leaders have been contacted, etc. But even if you don't choose such a high number, you will be pretty much okay if you choose any random waiting time between 400 to 900 seconds. And I will show you quickly how the software works when you choose these settings. Let us say that we choose 2 leaders to contact. Now these are the status settings indicators which will indicate to you what is the current status of the operation. So once we have uploaded the message and chosen the settings, now as I mentioned before, we can even choose an attachment. Like if you want to attach a file while you are contacting the users, you can do that here. Inside the attachment you can promote anything. You can promote your website, you can promote your project, and pretty much Fiverr will not know about it. So once we hit the button contact gig leaders, the software will open another small browser and it will start working in the background. So as you can see that the software has loaded over 336 gig leaders to contact based on our settings.